It's him, right? I mean, taking unnecessary chances time and time again.
Well, that does have a familiar ring to it.
Well, maybe this would teach him a lesson. But he has to learn, you know. Act like a child all you want, but you're a grown man, and grown men must deal with real consequences of their actions. What is it, son? Speak your mind.
Look, Snotlout is pretty much the same way as Spitelout.
The apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
And it certainly seems that he's constantly doing the opposite of what I want him to do.
Disobeying every single order.
Trying to one-up and show off.
Couldn't have put it better myself.
The thing is, in this particular case, who are they trying to show off to? Well, what I'm trying to say is, what if all their craziness and disobedience had nothing to do with them and everything to do with us? Just think about it. Snotlout's incident with the forge, that could be directly tied to his desire to prove himself to me, in his own little twisted way. And Spitelout...
What? Put us all at risk over something so inane as a storehouse that could have been built anywhere at any time?
No, Dad, don't you get it? Spitelout built the storehouse to prove himself to you.
Ah! Well, what are you waiting for?